Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you add or change avatar in Binance Square. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application. And after that, you just simply have to go over this yellow Binance icon into the top left corner. Tap into there, and then you have to select this Square from shortcut page. Tap to Square, and then this Square page will open up. Now you just simply have to select your Square profile from bottom right corner. Tap there, and after that just simply open your profile into here. Then after tapping into profile, you will get to see a lot of options. You just simply have to select this edit option besides your profile photo. And now after that, you will get to see this camera icon below your profile picture into Binance Square. Now it will also give you the warning that you can only change your profile once per 30 days. Now just simply tap to this camera icon. You can choose the option of camera and photo album. I'm selecting photo album, and after that it will open up all the photos that you have. You just simply have to select your photo and then tap to confirm. And this way you can very easily add or change an existing profile picture or avatar in Binance Square. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.